Hey guys, I hope you all are having a great evening or a great day or a great night whenever you guys are watching. So, yes, you all, this is my haul from Citi Trends. But before I get into this haul, let me turn your focus over to these candles right here. Those heart bags up there, those are my Ross haul. I'm not sure if I'm going to upload a video, but that's from Ross. So these candles, Tuscany, and whatever those other names are, I got those from Kroger. Now, I have mentioned this before. If you had watched my Kroger haul, you will see some items that I got. So these candles, these were $3, I think $3.29. They smell amazing. I know they might go cheaper next week. If there's any left, I will surely to get them. This pumpkin season tea towel, I found that on one of the shelves, and that was actually 10 cents. So let's hop into Citi Trends. So I went to Citi Trends on Tuesday because there's two Citi Trends in my area. I went to one on Tuesday and I went to the second one yesterday, but it was closed just for the day. So I'm like, Citi Trends, you can't be doing this to me. So I went back today and I picked up some other items. So let's start with, let's come closer. Okay, we have this Spa Fusion gift set. This is a foot scrub, a foot cream, and two slippers that says love. I have it in the frosted berry, and I also have it in this sweet blossom. I have two in the sweet blossom, one in the frosted berry, and these were actually $8 each. I don't mind paying $8 for these because I'm gonna put those in Valentine's Day gift basket. These red lace gift set, this have the lotion. Let's see what's in here. You have the shower gel, the lotion, and this perfume. This was actually $4, and I have 5 of these. This looks good with the color for Valentine's Day or Mother's Day. These men's solo code gift set. This have the aftershave and the cologne. This was actually, I believe, $2. There you go. These are $2. I have one here and I have one right here. These socks. This is, what brand is this? Lux Dreams. This is 3-pack ladies socks. These were actually $3. And I love how these have the hearts for Valentine's Day and the lips. I have 2 of those. I also got this Rockaware socks for men. This was also $3. I have these Betsy Johnson plush socks, 3 in a pack. They were also $3, and I have 1, 2, 3 of them. And then I have this one, same thing, but it's in a different package, $3. I love this package from Betsy Johnson. The colors are perfect for Valentine's Day. These are socks. This is 2 to a pack. It says Kendall and Kylie. 2 in a pack, and this was actually $2, and I have 2 of them. There's the other one. These, it's a purse, like a crossbody bag, and maybe a credit card wallet. This is red and this is pink. This was $5. I have it in this color, and I also have it in the tan and the cream. Here I have 3 of these luxury gift set. In this you have the shower gel, the lotion, a travel perfume, and the big perfume. These were actually $10 for these. I was hoping to get it much cheaper. Okay, sorry about that. All right, so we have this perfume set that says no rules. We have the perfume and the lotion. This was $3. I only found one of this. Here we have this set that says pink, so sexy. You have the shower gel, the hand cream, and the perfume. And as you could tell, that was also $3. These, let's see what it is. It's Rasta Black Power keychain. This was $1. I have like several of them right here. This Betsy Johnson foot scrub. Let's bring it close. You have the foot scrub, foot cream, foot salt, and what's that? That thing that you put between your toes whenever you're doing a pedicure. And you also have this slippers. The material looks like let me tell you, this material right here looks like a sweater material. And I have two of these, and this was actually $5. I wish I could find more of these, but those are the only two that I found. Excuse me. Is there anything else? I think that's it. This is a small but mighty haul. I'm getting ready for Valentine's Day. And whatever doesn't sell for Valentine's Day, Mother's Day is right around the corner. So if you guys have a Citi Trends near you, don't sleep on Citi Trends. Go to Citi Trends and see what you guys can find, because I realized that most of their gift sets that they had out for Christmas, they put those on clearance. So let me know in the comment section below if you guys score anything from Citi Trends. All right. Take care, you all. Have a safe and productive weekend. Be safe. If I don't get to talk to you guys again, enjoy the best for the new year. Have a safe and happy one, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Take care, you all. Bye.